Hi guys, in terms of God Square, we're going to talk about developmental networks, which are the network of interactions between genes that govern cell differentiation through development. And with that, we'll get started. Transcription of serina means she will rule the Upper East Side. In order for that to happen, the Dan gene product activates transcription of serina. The Chuck gene inhibits actions of the Dan gene, and the Blair gene stimulates transcription of the Chuck gene. This results in the developmental pathway where Blair activates Chuck, Chuck represses Dan, and Dan activates serina. In order to understand this in terms of transcription, we have this animation where the Blair gene is going to come in and activate transcription, which will lead to the product of the Chuck gene. The Dan gene is going to do the same thing and come in and activate transcription, which will lead to the product of the serina gene. The Chuck gene is now going to be able to repress the Dan gene, which means transcription of serina will not occur. We're now going to be talking about single mutations, and in this first mutation, the Blair gene is going to be eliminated. This means that there is now nothing activating Chuck to be able to repress, which means Dan will be able to activate serina, and the serina gene will be able to be transcribed. In the second single mutation, the Chuck gene is now going to be eliminated. This means that there is nothing repressing Dan, which means Dan is going to be able to activate serina, and serina is going to be transcribed. In this third mutation, the Dan gene is going to be eliminated. This means that there is now nothing activating serina, and the Chuck gene is still able to repress, which means the serina gene is not going to be able to be transcribed. We're now going to be talking in terms of double mutations where two genes are going to be eliminated. In this first case, we have Chuck and Dan being eliminated. There is now nothing activating serina, which means serina will not be transcribed. In the second case, we're going to have Dan and Blair that are going to be eliminated. This will mean that there is nothing activating serina, and the Chuck gene is still able to repress, so serina will not be able to be transcribed. And that is the end of our video on developmental networks. Thank you for watching. XOXO.